anyways, what happened is I tried to put a switch in and or a button, and this button doesn't work. So I actually have the switch right here, and I tested it out before I put it in, and it works. And also, I discovered that last time in the stream that what's it called? That these batteries did not fit in here with the lid on. So I modified the lid in Fusion 360, and here I'm gonna here I'll try to show you guys this right now. Let me open up Fusion 360. Let me change this OBS to Fusion 360. Right. Boom. So, let me just plug my mouse in for a second. Let me move this stuff over. Move the picture over. Just wait for my mouse. Okay. Move it like there for you guys so you can see. Alright, cool. So, anyways, here we have, this is the new model, and I did some rendering with it. I just put a little logo, charger to go, and then Hafner TM just as kind of a joke. But anyways, as you can see, I took part of this and I extruded it downwards, and compared to the old lid, you can see this, this part, let me get this close up. So you can see right here how it's just flat, it's completely flush. And also there's a little thing here that connects the outside to the inside. So anyways, I changed that, so here, so now there is, it goes in like that, and then there's no more connector, there's not a connector there. Okay, so it looks like we are live. Let me just change something quickly. Okay, cool. We are good. I think I have the chat up, right? Okay. So, I think that's an old comment. Because my streaming options are kind of weird. So anyways, that is all that I've done with this right now. So now, we're just going to resolder this to the switch, and then I'm printing out the new lid right now for this. And I'm happy that I printed two of these out. Before I only had this, and then I kind of ruined it by drilling a hole in here. The only reason why I'm not adding a hole in there already is because I want you guys to customize it yourself. Or if you don't want to do that, you could just drill a hole in. So it's going to be a little bit of a challenge to get this in. I think I'll just have to do a lot of drilling, and we'll have to use a file and stuff like that. But yeah, so I'm putting out the new lid now. Also, this is kind of cool. This is by Creative Tools. It's kind of messy, but I'm testing out some filament right here. As you can see, it's right there. I believe the company is, let's see. Let me find that company quickly. Some company in the UK. I have a form, just an order form, so I can find that out later, but they sent me the spool filament. I printed out the clock with that. I printed out all of these with it, printed out this. I have a bunch of other cool stuff too. But anyways, this was made by Creative Tools, and it's like a fan, a computer fan, a concept model. So I just printed this out, and then I'm printing out the blade of the fan with some other filament that a company sent me. Well, I'll just show you guys now. Here's one of the spools. It's called Wood Force, and it's like this really strong wood filament, and I'm printing with Fiber Force right now. It's like this nylon carbon fiber hybrid, so that's pretty cool. And they even sent me the spray to help it stick to the bed, but the blue painter's tape, or the adhesive that I'm using, and then this glue right here, this works just fine. Is that working? It looks like that's working. So that will be coming soon. And also, by the way, the spool that I'm testing out right now, it's U-Makers. And you can actually turn the stand, or the spool, I mean, that it comes with into like a lampshade or something. See right there? And into a coat hanger, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, let's get back to this. So, anyways, we're going to be using this. Let me just switch right here. So we're going to be using this. We're going to try to use this battery connector again. And let me just let me turn the hot glue gun on and the soldering iron. So we do need that on. And let me move this down so you guys can see. Go. Let me try to. I'm just going to try to move all of the stuff. So anything that I'm not using, I'll just move away because it's just taking up space here. So all we're going to be doing right now is soldering some things together. We're going to make a hole for this first, I think, and then we'll solder everything. Let me put this right here, plug it in. All right, there we go. Cool. So hopefully this is done printing for the stream ends. Okay. So, let's see. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is make a hole, like right there. So I'm going to drill like a pilot hole so we can get this started. Sorry guys if you're in the chat. I'm not going to really be reading the comments because, I mean, I can try to get it in there. Let me try something quickly. It's just hard to do. Okay, so see this, that's the only issue. I have to, this is just the stream page, so let me just quickly adjust this. Okay. Sorry about this guys. Okay, let's see something. Just need to make sure this works. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Sorry, guys. Let me remove that quickly. Wait, what happened? Oh, there we go. All right, so back to this. So I think I'll make a hole right here. All right, there we go. Looks good enough. Hopefully we don't crack this in half, because that'd be very annoying. So I guess we're just going to have to use this now. Then we may just have to go straight to like a sander or something. So let me get some files out. This could take a while. So if you're watching, sorry. This may take a while, but we have to get it done. You know, I'll try to speed this up. Maybe I can record that. Whoa. How did that come out? So it looks like we could have a little bit of trouble doing this, because it could end up ruining the print, which is an issue. Let's see. How did that come out? Oh wait, let me try this. Alright, so we're getting somewhere. It may end up making this look a little bad, but we do need to get the switch in, so I may actually end up just adding that in, but for now I just want to see if we can get this to fit. Right, there we go. We're getting a bigger hole. slowly working. Almost there. I should probably just use a Dremel for this, but I'm kind of lazy. This is not going to look pretty, but I don't have enough time to print a new one for you guys. Right, we still have a while to go. So I just want to see if this works first. You know what? I'm gonna go get my Dremel quickly. Let's see. All right. Let me just open this up. There we go. Oh, it still has the cutting tool in here. There is. You know what? I'll use this and then use a wrench for it. There we go. Let's get this in here. Hopefully this works. Oh my gosh, I just bent this. See? That's crazy. Okay, so let's try this now. I have an available outlet. I'm worried that I'm going to blow a fuse by plugging anything else in. You know what? I need to do this. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, that may not work. Oh. All right. Let's try a different tool. Let's try something harder. This should work. I'm realizing how this does not look very good at all. So I'm definitely going to model it so that it fits in here, because this does not look pretty. I have no excuse for that. I don't know what I'm doing. Shouldn't be doing this, but I just want to test it out. It's a concept model, I guess. Let me move all of this stuff, because this is going to get a little dirty. Move that. Alright, that could just be it. Let's just get this out and clear it. Alright, now let's see if it fits. Oops. Alright. It does not fit yet. We just got to do a little bit more work. Alright, so I think that's good. Alright, let's see. Let's see if it works. So, oh, it's so close. Yeah, this isn't going to look very nice. So what I'm going to do right now is I think we should quickly model something to work. Oh! Alright, use hot melt. That's a good idea. Or soldering iron if you don't. Okay, cool. Right, so let's get back to modeling this, because this obviously is not working too well. So I'm just going to unplug all of this. I don't want to blow a fuse. So what we're going to do today, I guess, is today we may not finish the entire thing. What I'm going to have to do with you guys is we will... Sorry about this. I just like to keep everything clean. I don't like having a messy workspace. Let's see. Alright, cool. So, what I'm going to do is I will move all of this away. Let's just move this all. I need to, like, clean this up. So, I think what we'll do today is we will first model a hole in there. We'll get some dimensions. Then we will solder these together. And then, yeah, that's going to basically be it. And then I'll print it out. And then tomorrow we'll come back, hopefully. And we'll finish the rest. So let me just try to clean this up a little bit. Oh, it's getting everywhere. Alright. That's. Alright, I think that's it. Just watch. Okay. So, let's get right into it. Okay, cool. So, let's see. First, I need... Where did I put that switch? Right here. So I need the switch. And then let me get my calipers. Right, let me just pull up the chat from my phone so I can read your comments. Okay, Alright. Vincent said, why you in such a hurry? Oh, I'm sorry if I'm making it seem like that. I am kind of in a little bit of a hurry, though, because I do have to go work again, because I just came back from interning. Now I have to go lifeguard, like in an hour or so. I just won't have enough time to stream and then get ready for that, because I want to put out videos for you guys. And since it's the summer, I have more time to do stuff, and I love streaming. It's a lot of fun. Alright, let me pull this up. Oh, thank you guys so much for 180 subscribers. We are so close to, we're so close to getting, what's it called? 400 subscribers. It's amazing. So, my channel has been growing a lot lately. I've been getting a ton of views. I get like 2,000, 2,100 views every 30 days or so, which is great. Before I'd only get like 100, 1,000, and now it's going up even more. I'm getting more subscribers, and it's just awesome. Alright, Vincent said, makes sense. Yep, you're right. So, let's get the dimensions of this switch right here. So, let's see. Sorry if you guys can't see me. I really need to get a better webcam. So, we need to make this... Let's see. Call it like 12.5 millimeters. So let's go here and let's make Fusion 360. Okay. So I want to make the hole right there. So I'm just gonna hide this right now, so it will make everything easier for me. Alright, so first I will make a sketch. Let's make a line right here, make it on this plane. Let's do this, and then, right, so it needs to be 12.5. Okay, there we go. Now let's make this, oh, shoot. Oh, no, that's fine. I did that right. Does that get skinnier, though? Let's actually change it to... Alright, so we'll do that, I guess, first. Now let's do this, which will be... Let's do like this. So that's like 20.5. I'm not... Oh, pro tip, make better thumbnails to interest people. Maybe a bit of clickbait. Yeah, I do need to step my thumbnail game up a little bit. It's just, I mean, during the year I didn't have that much time to make videos because I had a ton of schoolwork. So I really should work on my thumbnails more because most of the time it's just text and a background. I really should add some more. Pro tip, yeah. I'm not a pro though. Thanks for the tips, Vincent. I will make sure to work on my thumbnails more because I know they can be quite boring sometimes. And I know I need to work on them, so I will definitely get to that. So let's see. Thank you for watching, Vincent, by the way. It's very nice to have some company when I'm streaming. Alright, so 20 and then 0.5. So let's make this 20.5 millimeters. That doesn't seem right. How, what the heck? 20, yeah, that should be 20.5. Okay, then what's this? What is that? How big is this? That's 30? Uh-oh. That's not good. Let me delete that. I'll just add something. Alright, so now, uh-oh, what happened? You know what, I'm just gonna make this much easier. I'm gonna do, let's try this. Okay, so we'll do this. And I wanna make this 12.5, I believe. Is that how big I need it? $12.5. Yeah. 12.5. Okay. Uh-oh. 12.5. Alright, and then we'll make... Oh, I have so much plastic on my computer. Alright, 12.5, and now let's make this... let's see. Alright, I look up to you since I'm trying to get into this too, and you're doing really well as a smart YouTube channel. Small YouTube channel. I don't know why I said smart. Thank you so much, Vincent. I appreciate it. Yeah, 3D printing, at first I was a little scared. I didn't really know what I was doing, and I mean, a few months ago I taught myself how to use this. I just watched 1 or 2 videos, and then I kind of just explored the program, and I got to know it a little bit better, and yeah, that's basically how I started using this. I started with Tinkercad, then I went to 123D, then I did a little bit with Maya, and then I moved to this. So that's how I got to where I am now, but I appreciate everything, and please just keep up whatever you're doing. just keep on trying no matter what. Don't quit, and eventually you'll just get what you want. You'll make what you want. You'll design what you want. You'll be who you want to be. It's just up to you. All right. Sorry if that sounded really corny. Okay, I'm realizing that now that just sounds really like, I don't know. Just never mind. Okay. So did I do that yet? Okay. So 20 point. Let's make it 20.4. 20.4. Boom. Uh-oh. What did I just do? I exited out. Okay. 20.4. I think that's what I want. Let's see if we can add some constraints. Perpendicular. Boom. Okay. That looks fine. Oh, it says they're all parallel already. Alright, so now we need to extrude this. Just make a hole. Okay, there we go. So we have this now. So this, we need to move it. Alright, LOL. Yeah, laugh out loud. Laugh out loud indeed. Guys, if you like streaming, if you like when I stream, I know I like when I stream, just leave a comment down below if you're watching this later on. And I'll try to work on trying to find more days that I can stream and stuff, because I love streaming so much, because it's not that much work, and then I get to chat with everyone. I always love streams, so just let me know if you want me to do more streaming, because I would love to. But if you don't like it, that's fine. I won't do as many streams, but I do like streaming. Alright, so now we're going to move this like there. I guess we can have it going that way. I mean, I think that look fine. Oh, we need to... Actually, no. I'll probably have to move it. Wait, are you on Mac? Yes, I am using a Mac. I know, it's not that good. I really want a PC. I want to build one. I actually have, I have one PC part picker. I actually already made one. It's kind of expensive, but that's the next thing I'm saving up for. So if you like PCs, here you can look at the list. This is my PC. This is my PC build. It's more for multitasking, hyper-threading, all of that stuff. It's a little bit expensive, as you can see right here, but I do have a few jobs I'm working. I'm lifeguarding, so I'm making money, and hopefully I'll be able to get this around Christmas or something, because I do want a PC. Also, by the way, I do technically have Windows on this Mac because I have Parallels, so I just use that for computer science and stuff like that. But I do want to build a PC, and this is my list, so here you go. You can just look at this, pause it, whatever you want. There you go. But I am using a... Oh, shoot. I just realized something. I'm not showing it to any of you guys. Here. Sorry about that, guys. I realized my mistake. So let me do that again. Sorry about that. I'm so stupid. Okay. There we go. So, here we go. This is the PC build that I was talking about. I really wanted to build a PC, once again, just remember anything that I just said like a minute ago, but this is basically the build. As you can see, you can pause it whenever you want. It's more for multitasking, hyper-threading, all of that stuff. And I'm just going to use it so I can stream, edit videos, do 3D modeling like Fusion 360, because I have a student license for it, so it's free. I could get a ton of other stuff for it. I'll play games, of course, because I'm a big gamer. But yeah, so that is basically my build. If you want to check it out, just just scroll through it or something. That's basically going to be it. So yeah, and that's it. Alright, you can design your own prints and sell them on Etsy or something. I was thinking about that. I was actually thinking about that. Let me show you what I was thinking about to do. Let me try to get this without dropping it. 1 second, guys. Alright. So I actually was thinking about selling prints on Etsy to raise money because I do design a lot of things. So this is one of the things I was thinking of maybe selling on Etsy. You could customize it, put your name on it, and choose the colors of the drawers. And I was also thinking of selling the clocks that I make because these things are really cheap. And then what I could do is I could sell the clocks. You could add whatever you want onto it, like text, a logo, anything, any color, any material like wood, metal, PLA, ABS, PET, nylon, polycarbonate. I name it. I probably have it. And also, if I really wanted to, I could make these tiny chargers, which I'm designing right now, and I could sell them on Etsy. And it'd be kind of like a homemade, nice little charger thing. And I could either use, you could either use regular 9-volt batteries, or I could use rechargeable 9-volt batteries because those, the lithium batteries are super expensive, and I don't want to charge people $30 for a charger that's made out of plastic and stuff, because the circuits and all of that are just too expensive for me, and I'd need to buy in bulk in order to drop the price down. So using 9-volt batteries is much easier, and you can store like a few of them in here. And with rechargeable 9-volt batteries, it's even easier because you just pull it out when it's dead, you plug it into the wall, and then you're good. So that's, thank you for mentioning that, because I was thinking about doing that. So if you're watching this later on, when it's just on my channel, yeah, just leave a comment if you'd like that sort of thing, because if I get enough people who are willing to, buy stuff like this, then I may be able to start an Etsy profile. So let me just put this back, guys. I'm a little bit of a neat freak. I like things to be where they were before. I hate when I move stuff around. Alright. I had a ton of Copperfill prints that were just on top of those drawers. Okay, so back to this. Let me get Fusion 360 open. I will say the modeling software is pretty good on Macs. I do like it. I do like the interface of Macs, but I do realize that the hardware of this Mac is crap. So I really want to build a PC that has a ton of RAM, 32 gigs, like 5 terabytes of storage, and SSD for my operating system and applications, all of that stuff. Oh yeah, low poly prints also sell well, so I could also do that. I do know a little bit of Maya, so I could, try to design stuff like that. But yeah, so let's get into this again. So what I need to do is I'm going to move this again. So let's move this. I think I'll rotate it because I realize that it'd be better like that, 270 degrees, to move it over here because I want to be able to store some batteries in the back. So by moving it over here, then we have more space. Is that on a corner though? I think that will be fine. So now what we're going to do is we are going to cut these. We're going to cut a hole in here. Cut. Okay. And there we go. That is basically it. So now I will just download this to 3D print. Let's see, any new things in the chat? Nope. Okay. So let's see. Yeah, it's open in Simplify 3D. Okay. So Simplify 3D. Why isn't this working? Okay. Oh, there we go. I think I just had to do that. Okay, so we're going to do that. And now here, I'm going to change this to Let's see. 1 second, guys. Where is it? Simplify 3D. Where are you? I have no idea what is happening. Okay, I got it in Simplify 3D, and I know you guys can't see it, so here, I'm gonna have to minimize that. Now let's change this to, where are you? Simplify 3D. Oh, that's not it. There we go. Right. Okay, cool. So there we go. Here's Simplify 3D. It's opened up. I'm thinking of building the Cherry. Oh, the 3D printer. Any advice? Fabricator Mini. I want a Fabricator Mini. I really do. So I can like travel with it. That'd be awesome. Thank you, Energy Strike, for joining the stream. Guys, please leave a like down below if you're enjoying the stream. So yeah. I have no money. Well, just all I can say to you guys is just save up. If you're really passionate about 3D printing, just save up all your money, get jobs. Also, like I've been working a while now. Whenever I see an opportunity to get money to do a small job, I always try to do it because I wanted to get FlashForge, and as soon as I got that, I knew I needed another one because I'm getting a ton of filament that I have to test out. So. And I'm happy that I have 2 FlashForges now because they're super reliable machines. So definitely, guys, if you have the money, I would advise you guys to get a FlashForge because they're pretty darn good. But the Fabricator Mini is also really good. Sorry, guys, I cannot talk right now. Okay, so we have Simplify 3D open right now. And let me see something quickly. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I will change this quickly, rotate it 70, okay. Done, center and range, process settings. So we will change this to PLA, left extruder, because that's what I'm using on the FlashForge right behind me. 5%, good. Prepare to print. So I can't export it right now because to an SD card because what's it called? The SD card on my FlashForge is being used because it's printing. Let me see how much time this is left. This is almost done. Almost done. Let's see. Yeah, you can get printers that are CTC. Is that like the FlashForge? Because I know there are a lot of like MakerBot, FlashForge, clone machines and stuff. They sell for lower prices. I've never used one before, so that's why I've never bought one, because I like FlashForge, even though most of those are probably the same. I just don't want to risk it. But I have heard a lot of good things about that. So, yeah. Oh, he has both. Cool. Alright, so now we have that ready. So now I think we're done with everything on here. As soon as that finishes, though, I'll bring it back. So now I think we are going to move on to this. So let me just move the chat right there. I'll move this. Oh, I dropped my mouse. Here, I'll try to add the chat. But let's see. Maybe I can take this out. I'll take that out. Then I'll make this bigger. Okay, and then... Okay, and then I will make that go up so you guys can see. Alright, there we go. Cool. So we are good with that. So now we can get to this. So what I'm going to do is I will solder... Where's that connector? I don't know if this is how well this is going to work. but we will have to try. Let me move this away quickly. Once again, guys, I hope you guys are enjoying the stream. I am enjoying myself right now. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to connect this switch. We're going to connect the red to the red on this battery connector. Maybe I'll just take this off and then I'll just replace the wire or something, because it's really a really small wire. I'm not sure how well I'm going to be able to solder this on. It's ridiculously small. Is that like a 2 kg spool of filament? I think it is. It's a pretty big spool of filament. CTC doesn't have a closed chamber and it's made out of plywood. That's the only difference. You see, that's pretty cool. I love the chambers for these. I have here's one of them right now. That's for the old one, and then the newer one was injection molded. But I like those only because it's easier to print with. It's easier to print with higher temperature materials and stuff. The thing I love about these machines are you can basically print any material you want. So that's why I got the FlashForge, because you can print almost any material you want, even the ones that may need glass beds or something. Some materials I know you need a glass bed for, but I have had no trouble with those because I've printed nylon on these machines and a whole bunch of other stuff. Alright, so it looks like we are going to have a little bit of trouble with this connector. Let's see. Basically what I want to build. Yeah. I also love the steel construction on these machines. 1 second, guys. Okay, so all I'm doing is I'm just going to remove this battery connector because this one is much bigger and may as well do that. So let's see. Just get a good thing of it. Cut it right there. I'll move that over here. Now we can start stripping these wires. Hopefully I can strip them. Nope. Okay, so alright. I'll have to check that out. Here, 1 second, guys. Let's see. I'll check that out after the stream because I want to get this done quickly. So I'll check that out after the stream. You can message me also about it too if you want. Okay. Cool, we got that off. This is going to be so much easier than using those tiny little wires from that other battery connector. Oh, now I have to redo this. Oh no. See, this is what I hate about this wire stripper. There aren't any smaller gauge wires on here. Just the lowest one it gets to is like this. So you can't really strip any of these wires or these. You just have to use the cutting tool and you have to be very careful. Alright, so this is going to be so much easier than having to deal with that. As you can imagine, this would be super hard to solder, plus these wires are really frail. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the red wire over here and connect it to the red wire over here. First, I'll just wrap it around a little bit so that they're at least connected like that, and I'd imagine this is, yeah, that's hot. Let's get some solder. Alright. Sorry if you guys can't see. Alright, so I think, oh, I didn't put any heat shrink on that. Oh well, I guess I'll just use some tape for it. As long as we have something covering it. Let's see, I really need electrical tape. All I have is like duct tape and blue painter's tape. Alright, it's a charging circuit with an LCD, a switch, and 2 USB ports. That's pretty cool. My message won't show up. What do you mean? Won't show up? Did you try to, like, private message me or something? Because if you did, then it won't go to the chat. It will just... Do you mean, like, you've typed in the chat and it didn't show up? Because that's weird. Here, I'm going to make you guys moderators, because you guys always seem to be around for my streams. And I appreciate it. I want to show you guys... how I feel. So, let's do that quickly. You guys will both be moderators. Here, I'll just have to go here quickly. I just have to go to your channel, and then I have to copy it, and then I have to go back. Let's see, because I'm pretty sure that's how you do the moderators. Let's see. Uh-oh. Why won't this load? Oh no, what's happening? Okay. Wait, add. Let's see, we'll do that. Okay. Boom. And then, wait 1 second. It's a link, that's why. Oh, okay. Do I not have... Let's see. I need to view... Uh-oh. What's going on? Alright, I'll have to add you as soon as you type something again, Vincent, because for some reason it won't show up here, as you can see. It's just blank. I don't know why. So as soon as you say something again, Vince. Oh, now it's showing up. Okay. It just took a little bit of time to load. Oh no. Okay. What do you do? What do you do about the fumes in your room? I don't know why I don't have the door open. Well, actually, usually I have all my doors open. I usually have a window open, and actually the window right in my bathroom is open, and then there's also a fan. There's like this fan in my bathroom, and it sucks out all the air. So like, I guess if someone makes the bathroom smell bad, you can use that or something to clear it out. But I just turn that on sometimes when I'm printing. I also have a fan in the back of my room that's always running because my room's kind of hot, and I like to keep it cool. And I normally keep all my doors open. Right. Sorry guys if my stream is a little, if it's buffering, because I see now that it's having a little bit of trouble. So, let's see. Did I copy that? Okay. So let me turn the fan on too. So there's just a fan in there. Okay, so now we have this. There we go. Hopefully, it's not going to load. I'll just wait for that to load. Okay, so now I can take, let's take some heat shrink tubing. I know we need that. Okay, there we go. Now it's finally showing up in the chat. So now I can add another moderator. Okay, there we go. We are all set. So you guys are moderators now, because you guys watching my stream. All I ask in return is that you guys don't, remove people who are random. Just, be responsible with this privilege, I guess. I'm not sure if it's really that much of a privilege, because I'm not that big of a YouTuber, small YouTuber, but still, it is. You still have a responsibility with this, so if you ever see anyone spamming, saying bad words, because I don't want my channel. I want kids to watch my channel. I don't want any like bad profanity. Um, so just if you see someone who isn't being respectful in the chat, just give them a warning at first, and then if they keep it up, then just remove them. Okay. All right. So let's try to solder these. Okay, I can't forget though. I need to put this on. Okay. Let's put some heat shrink on here. Looks like that print is almost done. And once again, guys, I'm very sorry if there's any buffering at all, because they're probably, my brother's here somewhere. He's probably watching TV on his iPad or laptop, I don't know. So he's probably using up a lot of the Wi-Fi. I don't have the best Wi-Fi here. Alright, that should be good. I just want to make sure this is at least going a little bit better, the stream. Alright, let's see. Okay, so that should be good. So we're good with that. Already I can tell that this is just going to be a lot better. Let's get my lighter. Where are you? Okay. Wait, let's move this first. Alright. Just get heat there. Boom. Okay, cool. That should be good now. Now the only thing left is to connect these, and then we should be good to go. Alright. I have horrible Wi-Fi. It doesn't reach my room in the best area. Peaks at 5 megabytes per second. Yeah. My room actually also has terrible Wi-Fi. The router in my house is like in our garage or something, so it's not close at all. So I have really bad Wi-Fi here, and I really should have like Ethernet or something. I should try to get like Thunderbolt Ethernet thing for my laptop, but it's really not worth it at this point, because what's it called? I may just get a PC later on, and then I just have that connected to the Ethernet ports in my room. Alright, and eventually I'll use my PC for streaming, and then I'll just have a webcam, and I'll move that somewhere, like I'll move it over here if I'm working, or eventually what I want to do is I want to get a webcam near my printer, so I can like have it, like print that thing. He normally has like a webcam that's like monitoring his printer during his streams and stuff. I'd like to do that too, because that'd be great. Alright, cool. So this should be the last soldering connection, and then we'll test the circuit out. We'll see if it works. Hopefully it does. Let's just get this heat shrink on. Okay, so that should be it for the heat shrink tubing. Should be it for soldering also, so I'll move this stuff over so you guys can see everything better. Vincent said, same. Yep, same indeed. Let me just move some of this around. Alrighty. So, this should be finalized. I got 2 batteries here. You know what I find fascinating about these batteries? You can connect them, and now this is 18 volts. So if you were to touch it, it would be 18 volts. So that's pretty cool. And you can link up a ton of those batteries together. So now, let's test this out. Let me get a charger quickly. Oh no, I fell over. Okay. So I have a charger. I have my phone. So let's plug this in right here. So it's plugged in. As you can see, here's the other end right here. Let me turn my phone off. And I do have a Mophie, so as you can see, it's not charging right now. See, that's my dog. Go. So you'll plug it in, and now let's hit the switch. And there we go. It turned on. Now I turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on. So basically my plan is to just put this in here and we will have it off. And let's try the other USB port quickly. So I want to make sure that works too. Right, so as you can see, it's not charging and it works off, on, off, on. Cool. So it works. Yay. So now what we have to do is we just need to wait for the print to finish, and I'm just going to have to end the stream here for today, guys. But I will be back tomorrow, and we will, hopefully I'll be back tomorrow, and we'll hopefully be finishing up everything. And I'll try to, let's see, will this like fit though? I want to make sure that I can fit 2 batteries in here, because then that'd be just really useful. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna be the stream for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you were watching this live, this will be on my channel though, so please check it out. If you're, well, I mean, never mind. I shouldn't have to say you should check out this video, because chances are you'll be watching it already. But yeah, so thanks for watching.